great thing about the adventure is, it starts in Denham. You've got, 45-minute boat ride across. You can see, dolphins and some turtles and manta rays, and straight away they're into some excitement. Get to the island. It's such a remote island, but we provide this incredible lunch. They get to see the history of the island being a sheep station.
And then off we go on an adventurous full driving trip out to the blowholes and Surf Point, which is a beautiful marine sanctuary.
We host it all. There's everything here to do, from snorkeling, stand-up paddleboarding, swimming in the beautiful ocean around here, or just scenic sightseeing.
If they've got the time, they need to do it. It's just something totally unique, one of the must-dos in Shark Bay.